Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Imran the Analyst. Today we are going to learn how to create a database in PageAdmin. PageAdmin is a graphical user interface to access the PostgreSQL. You can see I have already opened. Let me click on this servers. You can see. Okay, we have only one database, that is Postgres. This is system database. We don't have to touch that one. Let me right click and create a database. Let's say I want to create a database for our library, my library. And you can see over here when I click on this SQL tab, it has already created a backend code. Let me click save. My database is created. When I scroll these schemas, and you can see when I click on tables, there are no tables right now. In a database, we have to store some sort of tables to store some information. Now we need to create a table. Let's say I want to create a table for books. So what I can do, right click, create table. I'll name it books. The next step is in table we need columns. For columns, let me click on column, and you can see first I have to click on this plus sign over here. So the first column will be ID. It will uniquely identify each and every row in this table. So it will be of type serial. So we will learn about what the serial is or different data types in another video. So I don't want it to be null. Okay, and it will be our primary key. Let me add another row. I will name it title. I mean title of the book. It will be of character type, and I will specifically varying character, and I don't want it to be null. And let me add another one that's called publishing date. It will be of date type, and I don't want it to be null. Let me add another one. Let's get author. Okay, it will be of type varying character. We will learn about this database in another video. Let me make it not null and let me click save. So congratulations, we have created database and we have created a table. Let me see. Okay, now let me see what is inside my table. For that purpose, what I can do, let me right click and let me click on query tool. So to find if there is anything in our table or not, we have a SQL query that's called select all from books, and we have to add a semicolon at the end. Let me select this one and let me execute this script. So there's nothing. Let me add something to this table. We have to write another code, insert into books. Now we have to mention the name of the columns. So if you don't remember the column name, you can scroll and you can click on these columns. First we have ID. That is auto incremented. I mean it will increment it automatically by Postgres. We don't have to supply any value for that. The next is title, and the next is publishing date, and the another one is author. Okay, then we have to supply values. Values will be for title, let's say alchemist, and for publishing date I have to write date, then in quotation mark I have to mention date 1990 12 December 1990. Then I have to provide the authors, let's say Mark, and let me add a semicolon and let me execute the script. Okay, it says some sort of error. Yeah, the spelling is not correct. The name of the column is author. Let me execute this code. Congratulations, we have inserted our first data into our table. Let me see what's inside that. Let me check. Select all from books, and let me select this one, this script. Let me execute. Okay, I have made some mistake over here. Oh, execute. So we have one data in our table. This way we can create databases and table in PostgreSQL using PageAdmin. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.